ingredients?
So we have egg and we have sugar. Is that sugar?
That's salt.
Salt.
Mm-hmm.
And
Baking powder.
baking powder. And then we have sugar.
All-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour.
Uh-huh.
And now we have ube.
Yeah, that's a fresh ube.
Fresh ube.
And then?
We have sugar.
Okay, sugar. And then milk.
And we have lemon.
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. We have
Ube. Flavoring.
Ube friendly.
Yes.
And we have egg.
That's oil.
Oil.
So we will try to make a red ribbon style ube cake.
And we have
And we're gonna be using a whipped cream for our frosting, right? Okay, so let's get started. First we're going to sift the flour and the sugar. Okay, so you pour it in there. Be careful, huh?
You're going all the way down.
Okay. And then you do like this. Remember? And then on our cake.
Now this one?
Yes, that one please. Slowly, huh?
What's going on here?
Slowly, please.
I'm sorry.
Okay. You're doing great. Is it hard for you?
No. It's getting stuck.
Okay, that's okay, it's okay.
My hair.
Yeah, it's gonna take a long time. Oops, don't do that. Don't pour it. Put it down. So we have the salt. You wanna pour it, please? It's okay. Just pour it. That's the salt.
It's about to
This one is the baking powder.
baking powder. I'm gonna put all in there.
And then now we're gonna sift it again. Ready? Okay, that's okay. We will clean it up later. Okay, so what's the next thing we're gonna put? So, or maybe you start with this, the milk. And then you can mix it. And then oil. Be careful, huh? Okay, thank you. Okay, now you can start mixing it.
It's getting too heavy.
Is it? So next would be the egg yolk. I can help you.
So much.
Ooh. Oopsie.
I'm gonna hold it.
Okay. Mix it first. Okay, now you can do that. Okay, let me do it for a minute.
And then my turn.
And then it's gonna be your turn again.
You're so yummy.
Oh no, we almost forgot. Oh, this one smells really good. I love it. Alright.
You're so small now.
Yeah. And then we're gonna do the fresh ube.
And while it's gonna cook, we are gonna make the frosting.
We're not gonna make the frosting yet because we're going to do the egg whites.
Yeah, egg white.
Okay.
Ooh.
It's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, could you now let's add the ube flavoring.
And then
Oh, I think I put too much. Oh no. Oh no.
looks like dark. Really dark. Looks
Well, we have to make it really dark. Now we're putting it in the middle. Sorry about that. I have to help Cassey because it's gonna be harder to mix in this one. And We want to make sure that there are no lumps, huh, baby? Right, baby? Okay. I still want to make it a little bit darker. I want it like really, really like dark purple. Ooh. Gonna mix it with our batter. Whoopsie. So, ready, baby? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's mix it.
Let's put a thumbs up.
You're putting a thumbs up. So, what are we gonna do next?
You're gonna pour it in here.
I'm going to fold it little by little. Okay, let's do it. Fold it little by little. Okay.
Gonna mix it.
No, just use this one. Use the spatula. Okay, there you go. No, you do like this. Wait. No. You do like that. When you mix this one, it's only folding. You don't mix it like how you usually do it. It's gotta be folding, okay? Wait, when you fold it. And it should only be one direction. Like this. Look at mama. Like that. And then like that. So, we're actually on our final step. And then we're gonna bake it. And it's ready. Cassey and I are going to start decorating the cake. So let's make the layer first. For your cake. Today's Mama's birthday.
Yeah.
So
And the other piece
Mama
will
needs
be...
it all, right? And we can still find a theme on what we're gonna be making. So we are already on our final layer. Baby, are you okay? So now we are going to put our ube cake crumbs as our decoration. So I have already made the star. We're just showing this one. And we're gonna decorate this one. This one too? Okay. No, hold on, Sam. Can you grab your spoon, please? Thank you. Huh? So the most important thing that we're gonna be doing is we're going to cover. Wait, be careful. Make sure to spread it really good. Would be the side.
This is much more better than using hands.
Yeah. It's so much better. You cover the top while I cover the side. Cool?
Okay. Cool.
Be careful, huh?
Sure, spread it.
Well, we're gonna be making a lot of mess in here right now.
I'm trying to pat it to do it. Looks so good.
Yeah, it does. So we're almost done. And we're just trying to cover the rest of the stuff that are in here. Oops. And okay, so we're going to decorate this now.
You're gonna make this guy. What are you doing?
Yeah. This one.
That's a star?
Actually, I couldn't find the star. So
I know how to make stars.
okay. You wanna try? Now you do this one here. Okay. You press it. Oh, wait. You have to make a circle.
I was making a circle.
Okay, there you go. Okay, wait. Okay, hold it. Hold it now. Oh! Ayaw lagi. Not too much, see? You're silly. Okay, so next one would be this side.
want inflammation time.
And
And Alexa.
okay, there you go.
Yeah, so it looks like I'm gonna
Okay,
make the
hold
star.
on. Hold on. We're gonna decorate. This is actually a little star. Ding, ding.
It looks like flowers.
Okay, now this time I think you can make it on your own.
Mama, it looks like flowers.
I know. And then
We're gonna add candles.
okay, but you're only gonna be needing one.
Yeah, but
So
there's
this
no
is
one
our
because you're just gonna skip it.
ube cake
Yeah.
for my birthday. Thank you for making my cake, babes.
Welcome, Mama.
Yeah, for helping Mama.
Yeah, but I have to say something. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Thank you, babes. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, so Mama's gonna blow the candle later, and then we're gonna do a taste test. Okay?
Birthday to you. Chocolate!
Happy birthday